Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. And got my water, I got my notes, and we're gonna do a unboxing, okay? And we're gonna unbox the Astro A10 first generation gaming headset. That's right. I love these headsets, okay? And I have so much to tell you about this, so let's get to it, okay? This is the Astro A10 gaming headset, first generation. That's important to remember, first generation, okay? Now, take a look at the back of this. Look at that. Look at that. That's right. Xbox, baby. So let's see what we got in here. Shall we? Put the baby out real carefully, right? Put this over here. Box. Here we go, right there. Okay. Now, give you a little specs on this, all right? A little techie talk. All right. As I told you, this is a Astro A10 gaming headset, first generation. Now, I got these at Best Buy. All right. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon too. Now, these headsets, they look wireless, but they're not, okay? That's one thing you wanna know. I have enough wireless stuff, but when it comes to audio, me listening, watching stuff, I like direct connection. I don't like wireless, okay? But this is it can work on Xbox, a Mac, mobile devices, PlayStation, and any device with a 3.5 inch millimeter socket, okay? And as you see, it's not attached, okay? So let's go down some specs here. Cool thing about these is it's tuned with the Astro Audio V2, okay? It's great tuning, it's clear, and what they don't tell you, and what I will tell you, is that it does have noise cancellation on it. And I mean, it can cancel out from 50 to 60%, 65% of outside noise, okay? Where you only hear the actual audio of what you're listening to. Relaxation, meditation, sounds like rain or whatever such as that. You can hear it clearly on there. It's white noise, you can hear it clearly. Blocks out the outside noise or interference. Awesome, okay? Now, as you can tell, this is designed for gaming, streaming, and VR. That's right, I'm looking at my notes when I look down. It is designed for gaming, streaming, which you know I love to do, and VR, virtual reality. Look at these babies. See the inside? Look at that. Okay? Look at that. And it got the cushion, really comfortable for your ears. You can have this sucker on for 4 hours. Of course, you're going to take them off, breathe. But I mean, it's just comfortable. You have cushion padding on the top here for your head, so it won't start hurting, okay? Very, very professionally and well made. I really like it. Yes, these can expand, as you see. These do expand, okay? And the ear parts move back and forth, so to be comfortable in your ear, okay, as your head moves. Awesome. Okay, now, yet long-lasting comfort. That's right. Durable construction. It really is. I mean, you know, these are made to last. These are not bad for the price, and I'll tell you the price in a minute. Okay. Also, what I love about these are flip to mute mic. What that means is when you have it on, gaming, or even if you're doing work at home and somebody upsets you, you flip your mic up, it automatically mutes everything so they can't hear what you're saying. Thank you again for calling Apple Support. Glad I could help you. So, y'all been there. Okay. The cool thing about it, it has a detachable 3.5 inline volume control cable. The volume control is included in the cable. You see that right there? It's included in the cable. It can go up and down. You don't need a mute on that, because all you gotta do is put your headset up. Okay, look how long this is. This is 3.5 millimeter socket. Goes all the way to this. That's a long cord. But if that cord is not long enough, let's say you in the front room or you're on the couch or even on your bed and it's connected to your TV, stereo, whatever, and it's not long enough, you can get an extension. The extensions only cost about $6 and it gives you an extra 6 feet. So 6 feet plus this, it rocks, okay? That ain't long enough, get another extension. But the fact is, one extension should do it, all right? Now this is what I love about it. This connects into here, as you see. Ooh. Okay, and you got your volume. All right, now, one thing I like that this is detachable. I like that because if you're a dog, cat, getting a hold of it, you step on it and break it. However, you lose it, get lost when you're on vacation, but you still have your headsets, you can get a replacement. And that's awesome. And you still get your valuable headsets, still get to use them. Where when it's attached, your dog, your cat, whatever gets you to it and chews it up, you gotta buy a whole new set, right? Not with this. And I like that. That's, you know, that's priceless. All right. And I ask you all, if you love my videos, I ask you to subscribe. I ask you to give this video and any of my videos you see that you like a thumbs up. Okay. I ask you to share it, and I can't wait to hear your comment. And I would like you to tell me, what is your favorite gaming headset that you have? Okay. Last but not least, the price. For these, first generation, you gotta remember you have to ask for the first generation. First generation, 20 bucks. Originally, 60 to 70. Can't beat that. You're getting quality gaming headsets, but you can use it for work at home, you can use it for listening to television, your stereo, whatever, any of your mobile devices, you know, your Android phone, your Apple phone, as long as you have an adapter, your tablet, you get what I'm saying. Anything that has a 3.5 inch millimeter socket that it can plug into, this can work on it. And yes, your VR. So, as I stated, right now, these are my favorite headsets, okay? I'd like you to tell me what is your favorite gaming headsets, if you have any, in the comment box below this video. And I shall wrap to y'all later. Hope you have a good one. Peace out. From Dalton, my world.